Amrita Siddhi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You can see 10 floors of these dabbas, and if you're wondering, you haven't seen my thumbnail. If you have seen my thumbnail, then you got to know what this video is about. It's about the Nykaa's Hot Pink sale. So before we start, I'm gonna divide two categories. Like I'm gonna make two categories. That is, one category includes bath and skincare, and other category includes lipstick. So in the first categories, there comes a lot of different brands. I bought products from various brands which I was really interested into. So let's get started. I actually purchased products worth 20,000, but the actual price when I calculated everything was around 32,000. So I got a 10,000 rupees discount in this Nykaa's Hot Pink sale, and really they are worth it. So let's get started. First we'll start with the bath and skincare. So bath, Bath and Body Works. I have bought products from Bath and Body Works. That includes 4 products. Actually I got buy 2 get 2 free. So these are the products. This is the Aromatherapy Stress Relief Body Wash, and this is a Vanilla Aromatherapy Body Wash. So when I purchased one, I got another for free. And this one from Aromatherapy, it's the Eucalyptus Body Lotion, and this is Aromatherapy Love Body Scrub, and it smells like ice cream. I am really liking this a lot. And in detailed review about these products, I'll be doing it later, not in this video. Stay tuned for next videos. So yeah, that's all for the body. Now coming to skincare. Face care. Face care. So here I have 2 face washes with me. I got the Dermafic Cell by Cell face wash, which is a foam face wash, and it suits all skin types. And also I'll be mentioning it below how much I purchased and what is the actual MRP of these products, so that you know Nykaa's Hot Pink sale, how much they actually did a discount on the products, put a discount on products, so that you'll get to know. And this Innisfree Green Tea Morning Cleanser. So I thought it was a foam cleanser. I haven't read about this cleanser clearly, and this is just a morning cleanser. Oily skin people can't get rid of any dirt from their face. Actually, it's a morning cleanser, and it is supposed to be used only in the morning to get rid of that oiliness when you wake up. Sorry. And with this, actually this cost 770 rupees, and with this I got Aloe Revital Soothing Gel from Innisfree for free. Actually this cost around 550 rupees and got it for 0 rupees. And also this Innisfree Real Squeeze Mask Essence type of serum mask. I think I'll be using it in the Korean skincare. I actually bought facial products from www.faceshop.in, and I'm really hoping that I'll be coming up with a Korean skincare video. So I'll be using this sheet mask in that video. Yeah, that's it for Innisfree. Next, I bought these Dr. Sheth's products. So the first one is Dr. Sheth's Basic Brightening Extra Gentle Peel. So this YouTube is raving about this product because this product is actually a dupe for the Pixie's chemical exfoliator, or the Ordinary. You can see the Ordinary peel, that is the reddish red color, but it is the milder version, and that is the concentrated version that has a 30% AHA, which is like horrible. I am so scared to use that, but for in future I think I'll be using the Ordinary, and this is the milder version. So I bought a milder version because Pixie I was using, and it's a little strong version. Yeah, and it's Indian brand, so I'm really interested to try out Indian brands, and these smell like Ayurvedic Indian herbal pills. So this is the Dr. Sheth's Gulab and Glycolic Toner. I bought it, and these products are actually a bit costlier. Like you get it for 950 rupees, 850 rupees, but I just got it for 500, 350. Great deal. And Dr. Sheth's Cica and Ceramide Overnight Repair Serum. Actually, I've seen a Manvi Singh YouTube video, and she was like literally she was really interested in this product. So why not I get this product? So I purchased it, and yeah, I'm really liking it. And next, I got this Plum Green Tea Revitalizing Face Mist. So whenever I feel dehydrated or little, what you say, flakiness on my face, or when the days when I really feel tired, I'll be using it. And even I'm using this as a toner before I apply any serum or moisturizer. And the next one is the Plum Green Tea Mattifying Moisturizer. This is a little bit heavy on my skin, I think. It's actually for combination to oily skin, but I don't recommend it for oily skin because I think it will clog pores around your nose. So no, not for oily skin people. So coming to eye creams. So actually first when I was I think before 2 years, I got Himalaya eye cream, and that didn't work for me. It literally didn't give me any results, and I think it is a little bit strong around my eyes. So why not I pamper my eyes? So I bought this Biotic Seaweed Anti-Fatigue Gel, Revitalizing Anti-Fatigue Gel. I just used it for around 1 or 2 times, and it's like a soothing, and it gives you a little cooling sensation. And I also bought this O3 Professional Eye Circle Cream, and it's also in the Vogue Beauty Awards. It's nominated, this product is. And also this Innisfree Green Tea Seed Eye and Face Ball. Yeah, this is a great product, and this costs around 1400 rupees, but I just got it for 980 rupees, which is a great deal. And this all I got it for like discount. I got it for discount. If I purchased any products which are like MRP products, then I got a free trial product, so it's worth it. And this costs around 199 rupees. I got it for 149 rupees. Great. And coming to the cutest products, this is the Tony Moly Taco Pore Blackhead Scrub Stick. I'll show you what it looks like. How cute it is. You can see the black octopus is very cute, and I'm literally loving it because cute products, we love cute products, cute things, girls like cute, so I'm liking it. And I got this for 150 rupees, I think. I don't remember the prices, I'll be mentioning it below. You can see this is the Taco Pore One Shot Nose Pack. So just you have to apply it in the T-zone, and after 10 to 15 minutes you have to remove it. I didn't try it, I'll be trying it later. Yeah, that's all for Tony Moly. And next, that's not all for Tony Moly. I got other products from Tony Moly. So I got all these products. This is a combo. See, these all I got in a combo pack. So first are these Kiss Lovely Lip Patches. You can see. I never tried these cute things wala, so I'm gonna try it. And also got these red wine and rice sheet masks. I tried Nykaa's sheet mask, Face Shop sheet mask, so I wanna give a try these sheet masks also. And also got this egg pore nose pack, a little like just this much, and it contains charcoal powder, it seems. Let's try it. I'll be mentioning the combo price, MRP, and also for how much discount I got in below. Next products are from Kiehl's. So I was so much excited to bring Kiehl's product. I got this Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream, and I was literally very scared because it costs around 2550 rupees, and I'm a normal combination, like mostly combination skin type girl, and I was so scared if this cream is very this cream would be very thick on my skin, but no, in winters I think I could work with it, but oily skins cannot use this. Dry skin and combination, you can use it in winter seasons, not in summer. In monsoon you have to apply little bit or not much, so that it doesn't clog and you won't feel heaviness on your skin. What happened to my tongue? So I got these 3 products free when I bought Kiehl's moisturizer, because there was an offer going on Kiehl's. If you purchase above 2500, you will get a free 3 free trial samples. So I got this Kiehl's Calendula Herbal Toner. Yeah, this is very good. You will have this white flowers inside. I didn't observe till now. I used it once. Oh my god, it has a little flower extract. Like, you can literally see how they preserve, I don't know. And this Kiehl's Cucumber face wash. It doesn't foam up a lot, but it's good face wash. You can use it at night time. And this is the Kiehl's energizing facial fuel for men. So ending up this category of bath and skincare with a huge box. This is a McCaffin box. It's very cute. I gifted to myself. Self-love. What you call self-love? So I bought it, and you can see it has this lock system. I'll open it and show you. Because of lighting you can't see clearly, but I'll be showing the pictures. Wait. Okay, I'm having a face wash, face scrub, green tea face serum, and night gel, and also this towel. Just gifting to myself this product. Okay, the next category is makeup, and I bought lipsticks and one bronzer. First, I'll be showing you the lipsticks. So, I bought this Nykaa Ultra Matte lipsticks in the shades Madhu, Marilyn, and Cleopatra. These are literally the best ultra matte lipsticks. I told that before in other video. You can see in the I button and also in the description box that Sugar matte lipsticks are best than the ultra matte lipsticks of Nykaa. But you know, Sugar lipsticks won't stay for a long time, but these ultra matte lipsticks stay for a long time, and these are not at all transfer proof. These are transfer proof, not at all, not these are transfer proof and doesn't transfer at all. And also bought this Jade Rose from Nykaa Mattelicious lip crayon, and it's a very beautiful nude. And got this free, this Wonderpuff Nykaa Cushion lipstick in the shade You Go Girl. It's actually a lightish pink color, but still it is suiting my skin tone, because you can work with it. Like, you can apply a little layer and that would be like a lip balm, and when you apply a thick layer it will look like a lipstick. So you can work with it. If you apply like a lip balm, my skin tone girls will suit this lipstick. This lipstick will suit my skin tone girls. If you apply like this shade as a lipstick, then I think it won't suit my skin tone. So the next brand is NYX Lip Lingerie. So this range, this lingerie range has only nude shades. These lipsticks don't have darker shades or bold shades. So I bought, why not I give it a try. I also am gonna make a video and I'll be posting it soon. I think I'll be posting it on Monday, on upcoming Monday, about this NYX Lip Lingerie lipsticks, and I'm liking these shades. Yeah, I got all these, like, actually the MRP of this liquid lipstick is 650 rupees each, but I got it for 455 rupees. So the next lipsticks are from Wet n Wild. They're Mega Last lipsticks. So I have bought all all the nude shades, and I got one lipstick free, and the MRP of this is 295 rupees each, but I got 221 rupees, like each of one costed me only 221. I got one lipstick free, which I'm gonna do a giveaway. Yeah, wait for the giveaway, then I'm gonna tell you what giveaway. I actually posted a picture on Instagram, you can go check it out. The link is in the description box, you can go check it out. So the next one is a Maybelline New York creamy matte lipstick, I think in the shade NoHo Amber. I thought it would be a cool tone, a red shade, but it came up with the orange type of red. I think I'm not liking it a lot, but still it's a red, so reds are my favorite. So the next one is the Khadi Gold Raspberry with Shea Butter Lip Balm SPF. Oh, it has SPF and it smells like, oh, it has a great fragrance, and if you are allergic to fragrance, stay away from this product, but it's organic lip balm, so you can get it, and smell is good. 15 grams, and MRP is 98 rupees, I think. I don't remember MRP, I'll be mentioning it below. Please have a look. So I have to go to the 10th floor and bring that last box of lipsticks. Yes, I got it. So this is from Nicole Luxe, the luxury store. So I already made a video on the MAC lipsticks. These are the MAC liquid lipstick. I bought the powder case liquid lipstick and a powder bullet lipstick. The powder case liquid lipstick I bought in the Burning Love shade, and the powder bullet I bought in the Devoted to Chill. So I got this liquid lipstick shade called Matte to Matte with Love. So I got this shade for free, and this is like a Barbie pink shade. You can go check out my video. I already made a video on MAC lipsticks. I button, description box. Go check it out. And also got this MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix, just 2.5 ml for free. They would have given big word. I would be very happy. And last product I forgot to show you. It's not with me now. Okay, I bought Wet n Wild's bronzer powder. It's not with me now, but I already bronzed my face with that powder. So that powder is actually a little shimmery plus matte one. So you can't apply it on forehead. You can just go with it with a. You can just apply it on your cheekbones and here, don't go on the forehead. That's it. I'll be mentioning the picture below, please. You can check. I'm sorry I didn't bring that here, and I'm so sweaty now because my fan is not on, because the disturbance will ruin my video. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on the 10th floor. 10th floor is constructed now. And that's all for today's video. And yeah, giveaway. About giveaway, so I have posted a picture on Instagram regarding the giveaway. The giveaway is the products worth 3000 rupees. So I already gave rules on my Instagram, so you can go there on my Instagram handle here. This is my Instagram handle. You can even go to my description box. I'll be mentioning the Instagram handle link. You can open, you can directly go check out my giveaway post, and you can follow the rules and you can win the giveaway. So that's it. Namaste. Bye bye. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Please don't forget to click the bell icon so that you'll get latest updates on my videos. And thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Bye.